Have you ever wondered how to improve your English speaking skills? Today, meet Emma, a girl who changed her life with just 20 minutes of practice every day. This story is for anyone who wants to learn English and discover the power of motivation and hard work. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of Emma Williams, a 17-year-old girl who dreamed of speaking perfect English but struggled a lot with grammar and confidence. Emma loved reading stories and wanted to become a writer. But every time she tried to speak English, she felt nervous and scared. She often made mistakes with tenses and sentence structures, and that made her feel frustrated. One day, her school announced a big English speech competition. Emma wanted to join, but the fear of speaking in front of people stopped her. She thought, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? Emma was ready to give up, until her best friend Sophie came with a simple idea. Sophie said, Emma, you don't have to be perfect. Just spend 20 minutes every day practicing English. That's it. Just 20 minutes. Emma wasn't sure if it would help, but she decided to try. That decision changed her life forever. Emma set a timer for 20 minutes and opened her English grammar book. She decided to start with the basics, English tenses. She read about the present tense first. Present tense talks about things happening right now or always true. For example, I learn, she writes, they play. Emma repeated these sentences aloud. I learn English every day, she said slowly. Next, she moved to the past tense, used for actions that already happened. I learned yesterday, she wrote a letter, they played football. Emma made simple sentences about her own life, I learned new words yesterday. It felt good to say the sentences correctly. Finally, Emma read about the future tense, things that will happen later. I will learn tomorrow, she will write a story, they will play together. She practiced all three tenses aloud many times. At first, she hesitated, but after repeating, she felt more confident. Emma realized that understanding tenses was the key to speaking clearly and telling stories about the past, present, and future. Next, Emma studied a very important grammar rule, subject-verb agreement. This rule means the verb changes depending on the subject. For example, he runs, not he run. They run, not they runs. Emma wrote these sentences and read them aloud, she is happy. We are friends. The dog barks. She made some mistakes but corrected herself each time. She said, it's okay to make mistakes. I will learn. Emma also learned about simple sentence structure, subject plus verb plus object. Like, Emma reads books, or, they watch movies. She practiced making her own sentences about things she liked, which made grammar feel more fun and useful. With every sentence she spoke correctly, Emma's confidence grew. After grammar practice, Emma stood in front of a mirror and practiced speaking. She said, good evening, everyone. My name is Emma Williams. Today, I will talk about courage and learning. Her voice shook at first, but she kept going. She reminded herself, it's okay to make mistakes. Every word I say makes me stronger. Emma also learned the importance of practicing every day, even if it's just 20 minutes. She watched English videos, repeated sentences, and spoke aloud whenever she could. Her mother noticed her hard work and smiled, saying, I'm proud of you. Emma realized that learning English wasn't just about grammar, it was about believing in herself and not giving up. After days of practice, the speech competition day arrived. Emma stood on the stage and spoke clearly and confidently. She didn't have perfect grammar, but her courage shone through. The audience clapped, and her teacher praised her. Emma learned an important lesson, you don't have to be perfect to succeed. What matters is practice, patience, and belief. So if you want to improve your English or any skill, start with just 20 minutes a day. Small steps lead to big changes. Thank you for listening to Emma's story. Now, it's your turn to start your journey.